Good morning, Vendor. This is Sudha Madhavi from 7th grade in Phoenix Global School. Today, I would want to tell you few words about the President of India. Introduction of the President. The President of India is the first citizen of the nation. He is symbol of unity, integrity, and solidarity of the nation. Election of the President. In America, the President is directly elected by the citizens, but in India it is indirect process. All members of the Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha and MLAs of all states and union territories vote and elect the president. In America, the president is real executive, but in India, the president has nominal executive. The eligibilities of the president. Number one, he should must citizen of India and completed 35 years. Number two, he should be qualified as a Lok Sabha member. Number three, he should not get profit from state government, central government and local government. He should make security deposit of 15,000 rupees in Reserve Bank of India. The vote of the president. The vote ceremony of the president is administered by the Chief Justice of India. The present Chief Justice of India is Nuthalapati Venkataramana. The salary of President in 2008 it was 50,000 rupees, but from 2016 it was 5 lakh Indian rupees. The tenure of the President. The office term of the President is 5 years. After completing 5 years, he submits his resignation to Vice President of India. The present Vice President of India is Muppavarapu Venkaiah Naidu. In America, the President has a right to elect only 2 times, but in India it is unlimited. The powers and functions of the President. Legislative powers of the President. The President is nominates 2 Anglo-Indians in Lok Sabha and 12 members in Rajya Sabha because of art, science and social services. The financial powers of the President. All bills introduced by the President, introduced by the Parliament to his recommendations. The judicial powers of the President. He appoints Chief Justice of India, Court judges, High Court judges. He can pardon, punish and suspend. Because of he is a president, he has a right to pardon, punish and suspend anyone. The diplomatic powers of the president. He represents international affairs on behalf of the nation and ambassador of Parliament. The powers of the President. The President declares national emergency during war. President rule in state financial financial emergency, the military powers of the President. He is the Supreme Commander in Defense Force. He appoints Army General, Air Force Marshal and Navy Colonel. He is the veto powers of the President. The veto powers of the President. A bill that is passed by the Parliament become an act only after signed by the President. In addition of this, he has few powers. Those are absolute veto, president veto, pocket veto and suspense veto. The pardoning powers of the President. According to Article 72, pardon anyone to be hanged. The present President of India is Ramnath Kovind from Uttar Pradesh and the present Vice President of India is Muppavarapu Venkaiah Naidu. I feel proud. He is from Nellore district of India. Right, I would want to tell you my favorite president. The second president of India is Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. He is a teacher and becomes a president of India. So we commemorate the birthday of President, the birthday of his National Teachers Day. The 11th President of India is APJ Abdul Kalam. He is popularly known as People President of India. He likes children and promoted to India for education. Have a nice day.